Hi, Mom.
Hi, Angel.
Hi, where am I?
You are at Chutty Auntys
And
house.
what am I doing here?
You are trying to help Chutty Aunty to do the laundry.
The laundry.
Yeah.
So this is a new washer today. I'm going to dry this in.
No, don't bring this now, man. Later.
Later.
You can do...
Later. So now,
Let's put the
so
dark colors.
the dark
Okay.
colors first.
Yeah, we'll wash the dark first. And
And then what else do you wash? So Mom, this is a new one that you saw. Do you like this new one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the dark color first.
We'll do the dark first, Marnie.
Dark.
Once it's done, then you can bring it.
So Joshua, do you want to see closer? Or?
I can see perfectly fine.
Okay. So these are the darks first or no?
Yeah.
Did you wash them for a while or not for a while?
No, I washed them, honey. You know how many washes I do?
How many?
Oh my God.
So Mom, look at all these laundry that need
Yeah.
to be washed.
Yep, lot of them.
There's a lot of clothes that needs to be washed.
Yep.
A lot of them.
I washed them, they can't even fold them. See, the ones,
The ones.
these are all washed. Or not washed. See, this is dirty. And the washed, anga rendu bucket ku irukku. It's not folded.
The detergent goes here. So Joshua, did you have this for 2 years or many years you had this or no?
6 years.
6.
Wow.
So Mom, he had this new washer and dryer for 6 years.
Wow.
Cause this is a new one, Mom, that you saw before earlier today.
Yep.
Do Alright, so is that everything or that's
Yeah.
it? Okay, now we gotta put this.
No, don't take it up. You want to bring it up?
Yeah, I'll bring it up and pour it in. So how much do you need? How much do I need?
Come on. You take the cup.
So how much do I need?
You need only half.
Push. Is that half, Mommy?
Yeah, that's enough. See. They say, like when I call for HE, they said that's enough for the one load.
And then where do you...
That's enough. Nope. They said, the guy said to use a little bit. More than enough. HE, you don't need the whole cup.
What is HE?
High efficiency.
Yeah, let it drip.
Drip there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then we'll put it in. I throw the cup inside, man.
Can we throw the cup in there?
Yeah.
Get washed
So
and
you
come out.
throw it in and it'll come out.
Oh, that's a good idea. We should do that too.
This has a door handle. Alright. So what
Now
do
you're
you...
going to set it to dark colors.
So...
Dark colors.
So
there you
this
go.
is dark color, and then what do I do?
Normal, low, cold,
Cold,
medium.
Medium.
It already set it for you.
You got medium?
Yeah.
Put
Stop.
casual. Try casual, Chutty.
There's no casual.
There should be normal casual.
There's no casual here.
No casual there?
We have light, normal, extra light, light, normal, heavy, extra heavy.
Okay. All right. Joking.
There you go.